Essential Brake Change Tools, a DIY Mechanic's Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing the essential tools to change your brakes in this DIY Mechanic's Guide. Ready to tackle your own brake job and save some serious cash? Changing your brakes can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little know-how, it's a project any car enthusiast or home mechanic can handle. Let's dive into the essential tools you'll need for both disc and drum brake systems. Safety is paramount when working on your brakes. Don't even think about starting without the proper protective gear. Your health and well-being are worth far more than saving a few bucks on safety equipment. Safety glasses. Flying debris and corrosive brake fluid are hazards. Safety glasses are your first line of defense, protecting your precious eyes from potential damage. Dust mask, respirator. Brake dust is nasty stuff, containing asbestos in older vehicles and other harmful particles. A dust mask or respirator will prevent you from inhaling this hazardous material. Gloves. Protect your hands from harsh chemicals, grease, and sharp edges. Gloves also provide a better grip on tools and components, improving your control and safety. Getting your car safely off the ground is crucial for any brake job. Never compromise on stability. Your life depends on it. Jack. A floor jack is your best bet for lifting your vehicle. It offers greater height and stability compared to the emergency jack that comes with your car. Invest in a good quality jack for years of reliable service. Jack stands. These are non-negotiable. Jack stands are essential for safely supporting the vehicle's weight while you work. Never ever rely solely on the jack. Place the jack stand securely under the vehicle's frame before proceeding. Wheel spanner, lug wrench. You'll need this to loosen and remove the wheel nuts. A good quality lug wrench with a telescoping handle can provide extra leverage for stubborn nuts. Now let's get into the tools you'll need to actually work on the brake components themselves. Having the right tools will make the job much smoother and prevent damage to your vehicle. Wrench set, a combination. Wrench set is essential for loosening and tightening various bolts and fittings. Make sure you have a comprehensive set with a range of sizes to cover all your needs. Socket and ratchet set. Just like wrenches, you'll need a variety of socket sizes to remove and install brake components. A good ratchet set with different drive sizes, 1.4, 3.8, 1.2, will be invaluable. Allen wrenches, hex keys, torque sockets. Some vehicles use these specialized fasteners to attach calipers. Check your vehicle's service manual to determine if you need these tools. Screwdriver set. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers are necessary for various tasks such as removing retaining clips and adjusting brake components. Brake caliper spreader, C-clamp. This tool compresses the caliper piston to make room for new, thicker brake pads. A purpose-built spreader tool is often easier to use than a C-clamp and reduces the risk of damaging the piston. Caliper piston tool. Needed for some rear calipers, especially those with integrated emergency brakes. This tool twists and pushes the piston in simultaneously, a process that can't be done with a simple C-clamp. Brake spring compressor, installer, retainer, and remover. Drum brakes. Drum brakes require specialized tools for spring work. This combination of 4 tools is designed to work on drum brake pad springs. Brake spring pliers, drum brakes. A set of brake spring pliers is a godsend when installing and removing brake springs on drum brakes. These pliers provide the leverage and grip you need to handle those tough springs safely. These tools and materials will help you complete the job properly and ensure your brakes perform optimally. Torque wrench. This is crucial for tightening caliper bolts and lug nuts to the correct specification. Over-tightening can damage components, while under-tightening can lead to failure. Brake line wrench. Flare nut wrench. If you need to disconnect brake hoses, a brake line wrench is essential. This specialized wrench prevents rounding off the flare nuts on the brake lines. Wire brush or brake disc. Cleaner. Use a wire brush or brake disc cleaner to remove dirt and rust from brake discs. This will ensure proper contact between the pads and rotors. Rubber or wooden hammer. A rubber or wooden hammer can help loosen stuck brake discs without damaging them. Avoid using a steel hammer as it can cause damage. Needle nose pliers. Useful for handling springs, clips, and other small parts. Needle nose pliers provide precision and control in tight spaces. Drain pan to catch any spilled brake fluid. Brake fluid is corrosive and can damage painted surfaces, so be sure to have a drain pan handy. Brake bleeder kit for bleeding the brake system after replacing components. Bleeding the brakes removes air from the lines, ensuring proper brake function. Anti-seize paste or brake lubricant. Apply anti-seize paste or brake lubricant to the back of the brake pads and other contact points to prevent squealing. With the right tools and a little preparation, changing your brakes is a rewarding DIY project. You'll save money, gain valuable experience, and have the satisfaction of knowing you did the job right. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to gather your tools, consult your vehicle's service manual, and get to work. Ready to take the next step? Subscribe to our channel for more DIY car repair tutorials and expert advice. Leave a comment below sharing your own brake change experiences or asking any questions you may have. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for recommended tools and resources to help you get the job done right. Happy wrenching!